Welcome to PrintRite. Myself Priyam, and throughout this video I want to show our office, and this is completely a office tour video. So this is the entrance part, and if you come towards this side, this is our lift. You can come through the lift also, and also from this way. And after coming here, you can see an open space with a big glass, and this glass we are putting a big logo. That is our brand logo, and it is in white color. Our location is located in Bangalore, Banaswadi, OMBL layout. So here you can see the car loan on our right hand side, and left hand side is the HDFC Bank, and you can see our PrintRite board, and ground floor is the restaurant, and the first floor is the show of gym, and PrintRite is located in the second floor. So in future we thought of planting some indoor plants in this space so that it will be looking more attractive. And here you can see our logo again over there, and it's a big glass. Again we are putting here a white color logo. So it is looking very attractive with black and white. Now let's go inside and have a look our PrintRite office. Let's have a look. Come. Let's come inside. This is the first thing. Due to this situation, we are keeping it in this place. This is our temperature gun. If any of our client comes down, we first check their temperature. Then this is the second thing. We have to sanitize ourselves for our safety purpose due to this situation. Then you can see this part. This is our visitors space with a beautiful couch, and here we are planting 4 plants. In future we thought of planting some more plant so that this area will look more beautiful, because as everybody knows that plants give us fresh air, and it's a stress reliever. It's revealed as a stress reliever. So we want to plant a lots of greenery in this space. And here you can see the big logo along with red color wall, and red is our brand color as everybody knows. And here we are placing a beautiful couch that is in grey color, and this side we are placing chair that is also in black color. So it's a beautiful combination, red, grey and black. In future we want to plant some more plant so that it will look more beautiful in this space. And this is the visitors space. So once the visitors come for checking the machines or purchasing some machines, they can relax and they can sit over this place. And we also sit in this place and we relax. We talk to each of our employees, and it's very nice. This is my favorite place because I like this big glass. And here also we are placing red and black combination logo. This is also PrintRite logo with black and red combination. Overall this space I like it very much because this is much spacious and with the greenery. And for the main purpose of making this video is that lots of our viewers and lots of our followers and lots of our clients usually want to know us more better way, and they want to know about our office. So that's why this is the main purpose of making this video. This is completely an office tour video. So after moving from this space, we can see here 4-color 1-station heavy duty, and that is Pro Rider series. And in more details, it is in our YouTube. You can go check there for more details about this machine. So this is the tabletop model, and we have to fix on any table. So right now we are fixing on this table. Then after coming this side, we can see here lots of certificates. Again here it's a PrintRite brand logo, and some certificate that is for about GSTI number, labor association, and also whatever the certificate required for a private limited company. So there will be more certificate will be coming in the future. We thought of putting all the certificates in this wall. So from this space right opposite to the certificates area, we are placing 4-color 2-station startup press, and this machine is in yellow color, and this yellow color gives very attractive to each of our client. As a client reviews, they like the color very much. And for more details, again you check in our YouTube, your Printwrite Hindi or else Printwrite English. And on the top we are placing our watch, so that everybody whoever want to check the time, they can check properly here. So from this machine we are just going to that side. So let's have a look. So this is our Pro Master series, and this is 6-color 6 station. You can rotate both sides, like top and bottom. And we are placing here one screen with Batman logo here. For more videos, please check in our YouTube channel about this machine. And let's move little bit towards that side. As we move towards this side, this is our flash dryer. As everyone knows that flash dryer plays a very important role in screen printing for drying the color while doing multicolor work. So this also we have in our YouTube. You can check each and every details there. So just we are coming towards 4-color 4-station Pro Rider series. This is the 4-color 4-station Pro Rider, and here you'll be getting in 2 variation. One is 360 micro and another one is X and Y axis. For more details you can check in our website, also in our YouTube channel, or else you can call directly in our number. Then towards the opposite side we will show you what is there. And right behind the restroom, this is a wall again in red color, and here we are placing some frames, and that is in wooden and also in aluminum frame. With the silver color of aluminum, the backside color is like red color. It looks so beautiful. And here we are placing some frame like different quality, not only in one single quality. It is like superb quality, it is like heavy duty frames, logo sizes, A4 sizes, A3 sizes. Each and every frame we are showcasing here. And this wall we gave the name as like wall of frames. Just little towards this wall, we are placing here our round screen printing machine. And round, it means like you can do any round surface printing, that is on the bottles, either it is a glass bottle or a steel bottle or any like plastic kind of bottles you can do here with this machine. And if you want to do in a container, suppose sweets container, biryani box and all, you can do along with this machine. And this machine also like it's a very solid one, and we are giving red and black combination so that it looks very attractive with this red wall. And this machine is really a good one because lots of good reviews we are getting about this machine. Then along with this machine you will be getting 5 years of warranty. That is also mentioned in our YouTube channel and also in our website. Please visit our website. Each and every picture and each and every details you will be getting throughout our website, so that you can purchase directly or else you can call us in our contact number for this machine. Just little bit front if we move, then as you can see here, lots of heat press machine. So we have 5-in-1 combo machine, 6-in-1, also like A3 size. So we will start from here. We have a different size of the machine, and this is around like 12 into 15 inches. Then this one will be around like 15 into 15 inches. Then if you move towards that, it will be like 12.5 into 15 inches, and the other one, as you can see here, it is the biggest and the heaviest one. So this is the A3 size heat press machine, and here it is a semi-automatic. and the size of the machine is around like 16 into 24 inches, where the garment printer usually use big machine, because the impression of the big machine will be more better than the small machine. And those who especially go for studio purpose and a shop like home based and all, they can go for 5-in-1 also. Along with that 5-in-1, it means this is the t-shirt part and the other cup printing, caps, mug printing you'll be getting there along with the machine. So that one will be the single one, but the best one, because those who are screen printer or those who are the sublimation printer, they will know about that machine, because it gives a good impression and grip, so that we use most of the time, not only we, all the garment printers, those who do printing, they use most of the time that machine. So as we look up, we can see here palette library. So we are placing here lots of different customized palette, and with the red wall with the white combination of palette, again here it is looking very much beautiful. And we customize different palettes, and we have lots of palettes, and as many of the other doesn't have might be. So we have lots of different palettes. Again we have some more, but we are not placing it here because the space is little less. So from here we can see, here is the baby palette, here is the long sleeve. For an example, there is a side print palette, collar free palette, collar front palette, zipper palette, and all pocket palettes. So there are lots many other palettes are also available in print, right? So you can check in our website, like for if you want to customize or any palette, those who are not in our website, you just contact us on the given number, we will help you out. So these are the palettes, these are all wooden palettes and heat resistance. Right from the palette space, if we see this side, here many sample t-shirt. Here 3 raw t-shirts are there. Start from collar t-shirt, round neck t-shirt, again round neck t-shirt. So we kept all the t-shirt here as a sample that we are printing here, and this side also we are printing here, and some of our trainee printing on the t-shirt, we are showcasing that t-shirt also. So we start from here. This is this is the collar t-shirt, and here print is not there. For sample purpose we are keeping for the materials like polyester we have, cotton also we have. So this is a black color t-shirt, and we are doing 3 color job here with plasticel and with fluorescent ink. So with the black and this green combination, it's looking very attractive. And here the blue and the red color, it is in plasticel, and that is superb quality. We always use superb quality ink so that it gives more durable and it gives more brightness on the t-shirt. And this is the color, it is a fluorescent ink. It is more brighter than the plasticel, and this is a round neck 160 GSM t-shirt. And this is the another t-shirt in grey color, and this is completely in water base, and from long time it is there with us, so it's little bit dirty, ignore the dirty thing. And this is a completely royal blue color in water base. And with the screen printing, you can even do on polyester t-shirt as well as on the cotton t-shirt. So here we have lots of sample that we have done screen printing on polyester as well as on the cotton as well as in the dark color. So screen printing doesn't matter whether it is a dark color, light garment, or any like a polyester or honeycomb materials or cotton. Everywhere you can do screen printing work. So here we can come like here the t-shirt, it is cotton t-shirt completely, and this is also plasticel ink, and this is the shaded kind of ink. So here orange, and again here orange, light pink, then shaded. It's called a shaded kind of print. Then here again we are keeping water base, and this side is the plasticel. It is completely in white color. So these are the all sample pieces of the t-shirt here in polyester. These are in polyesters. I want to show. This is the Printrite logo. This is Plasticel ink, and this is sublimation and Plasticel. So any kind of T-shirt you can do by screen printing method. Right from this place, our cabin started, and this is little bit of open space. So a customer or visitors, they can come here, they can check the machines, and after that they can check the T-shirts. So this is the sample T-shirt area or space, you can say. So the opposite of the T-shirt sampling area, directly we can see the cabin number 1. Let's have a look inside. We are now in cabin number 1. So this is the cabin looks like, and here everything is in black color, as you can see, the chair and the decks and also the chair. So design black combination, and on the top of the table we are placing a glass so that we can maintain the table in less time. So here is the window here, so that fresh air can get inside to the cabin. And here some drawers are there, soap pieces are there, and here the curtain color is as similar with the drawer, so it gives more good combination of the cabin. This side you can see the off-white partition, and that side we are placing our printer. Just beside the printer we are placing our plotter machine. This is called vinyl plotter machine. So this is about the cabin number 1. So we are moving towards cabin number 2. Let's have a look. Please come. Right behind the cabin number 1, here is the cabin number 2. So here you can see the door, it's in black color glass. So let's have a look. Let's go inside this cabin. Please come on. So we are now inside the cabin number 2. As we enter the cabin number 2, you can see lots of white. So this cabin is a little bit spacious, and with the white and red combination on the black, it looks so attractive. And here you can see table. We are keeping some vinyl sheet and down some molded die. And if you see here, one lucky bamboo plant is placed for good luck and wealth. Then we can see this side. We can move this side. This is the praying area. We pray here. We believe in Ganesh, so we are placing Ganesh idol here for our good luck. Apart from that, in this cabin there are 2 windows, so that fresh air can come very easily. Next we are showing you the 3rd cabin. Let's have a look. Just we are in front of cabin number 3, as you can see here, and the door is fully transparent. Again here this cabin gives another looks. So let's have a look inside. So this is the cabin number 3, and here again brown, red, black and green combination. Here also we have a window, small window, and this is a compact size cabin. So for visitors, they feel like very comfortable here also, because it's very compact and privacy. The person or our executive, those who attend the customers, they get full privacy. So this is also a very good cabin, you can say. This all about cabin number 3. Now let's move to cabin number 4. So we are just in front of cabin number 4. Just have a look. So this cabin is full of white, because wall is off-white and the cabin that decks is like white color. So it gives a beautiful combination along with red color and black color chair. Here also small window is there, so that air can circulate to this room. And most of the time we spend in this cabin, most of the time, because this is the customer, those who come for training. If they want to know more about trainings, usually our trainer He used to give all the advices from this room itself, this cabin itself. This is all about cabin number 4. Let's move to our training hall. So right from the cabin number 4, we can see here the training room logo. So this is our training room. Let's have a look. Come inside. This is the entrance of our training room, and here you can see the curtains. So we'll open the curtains now. And so this is our open space, and this space we usually use for washing our screen. As everyone knows, for screen printing we have to create a dark room. So by placing the curtain here, we used to cover this area so that it becomes dark, and we can use this space as our dark room area. So this is the washing booth we are placing here, and this side we have our dryer, and here we have the required items for washing purpose, like emulsion, decoder, all the things. This is the space we use for various purposes, as like coating the screen, and for microwave we are using here, and the water can. So nothing else is there in this space to say more about it. But this is an open space, just we cover with the curtain, and here we are keeping frames, use frame. This is the frame area, and this is the housekeeping materials, those or whatever we have used for cleaning purpose, we kept it here. So this is the space all over. Let's move this side now. Here we are placing our UV exposing and vacuum exposing unit. So this is our UV exposing unit with the timer, and the size of this machine is 22 into 24 inches, as you can check in our YouTube, and also you can check in our website. So this is the vacuum exposing unit. It is little bit bigger than the other one. So about this machine, for more information you can check in our website. All the description are there, and if you want to purchase, you just log into our website, or else you can contact us in our given number. Right beside the UV exposing unit, we are placing a DAX again. This is for our trainer table. We used to say as a trainer table, because our trainer usually spend more time here during training days. Like every weekend we conduct our training that is fully professional, A to Z training regarding screen printing. Not only screen printing, but also sublimation and stick and different process of screen printing. So he used this board most of the time, and this is his space. And let's move towards my left. Here again we are placing a table where our trainee can come and enjoy the class, and it is a much spacious, so they can sit, relax for at least for 7 hours in the training for 2 days. Let's move towards the table. Here we are placing a heat press machine again that we use for training purpose. So this is also like A3 size, 16 into 24 inches, but most of the time we use for our training purpose. Right from the heat press machine on my left hand side, we are placing our 4-color One Pro Rider heavy duty machine. You can see here 4 frames, and this is the heavy duty machine as we placed in front. So we do lots of videos in this machine, as most of our viewers knows about it. So this is the 4-color One Station heavy duty, and we give training with this machine and also with our big machine. And you can check this machine, like we are putting 4 frame here and how stable it is. This is our 4-color One heavy duty. Let's come little bit forward. So this table we use for multiple purpose, as like for registration, and also we keep some materials, or here you can see some of the cloth pieces. So this is for multiple use. So here this is our stretching machine. So here we do lots of stretching every time we do with the machine itself, so that we can get good tension over the screen. So you can check this. This is a A3 size frame with mesh. So this mesh also we have done stretching with this machine. And this is usually A3 size, and expandable sizes up to 28 into 28 inches. If you go through our website, you can get more information about the machine. And whatever the PrintRite machine, all are very solid, and this is also a solid machine. So right from the stretcher directly we'll go to our big machine. This is the biggest machine in PrintRite, that is Pro Max series. So you'll be getting in 8 color 8 and also in 6 color 6. And this can be rotated both top and bottom. So this is as like the green color machine, that is like Pro Master, but this machine, this hands part is little bit different. Sorry, the bar part is little bit different, as you can see here, and this is much more heavier than the Pro Master series. This is Pro Max series, and we are keeping our brand logo here. This logo is little bit different, as it is like a training hall logo, we can say. So here we symbolize like a screen print on the t-shirt, and this is the color, squeezy, and the frame. So all together it's a PrintRite. So here we want to end up our video. So please love us and please subscribe to our YouTube channel PrintRite, and please never forget to press the bell icon so that you will be getting fast notification. And please visit our website www.printrite.com, and be safe, and thank you for your time.